All right, here it is. It's a small bread. We're gonna serve it with some sour cabbage, chicken. It is so crispy and nice, and some sour cream. But I want to show you the rest of the bread. It is so good and very, very soft. Oh, it is so soft. It's hot, but I'm going to show you. Now, this is the one from the, let me show you that one first. This is the one from the fryer. See, very, very soft. Oh, so good. And then I'm going to show you mine. I just dip it in the sour cream. This one is still hot. Oh, but it's, I want to show you. Look how soft it is. Look. Oh, very so soft. It's soft, but it's also good. Look at that. Wow, this is the normal bread that you don't put nothing in. But it's, you hear how crunchy? Now, I'm going to cut the chicken. Chicken is so good. Let me show you before I cut it. I think my lightning is not good. You gotta fix that lightning. But I'm cutting the chicken. It's cooked. It's really good. And this is how we take the bread, dip it in. Oh my God, it's so, so delicious. I have no idea. Make it and tell me what you think. How did it go by you? Now, if you like it, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other treats. Thank you. See you later. Now the chicken is almost done. I probably getting dry water out of them. Yeah, this one is already done because it was the one without the egg. Just a few more minutes. It should be done. Now that the bread is done, we're gonna put some butter on top of it and let it sit until our chicken is done for a few minutes. And once it cools off just a little bit, I'm gonna show you how good it is inside. All right, so we didn't put anything except the butter on top. We'll go cook the chicken now. I'm gonna show you that bread. Sorry, bread from the fryer, and it's really soft. You hear that? So soft. I'll cut it later. I'm gonna show you the bread that it's in the oven. How rised a little bit, just enough for the small bread rolls, and it's still on 350. And now I'm gonna raise it to close to 400. Let's do 390 for now.